Did you know our bodies are planned to be alkaline and work best at an alkaline pH level? Unfortunately, most people following a Western diet leads to many diseases, because this diet is low in alkaline and high in acidic foods. Such a diet can soon lead to allergies, skin disorders, heart diseases, stroke, cancer, autoimmune conditions, inflammation, and the list goes on. However, adding powerful alkaline foods to your daily diet plan is an easy and tasty solution to acidity problems because these crucial foods can help balance your body's pH levels. If you've ever heard the term alkaline diet, you may wonder what it means, why many people are trying it, and how it can benefit your health and brings you longevity. The alkaline diet is gaining popularity for its purported health benefits, which include reducing inflammation, improving digestion, boosting immunity, and so much more. And in today's video, I'll explain the basics of the alkaline diet and share the 12 most powerful alkaline foods list you can add to your daily routine to get you started. From leafy greens to apricots, these foods can help balance your pH levels, which explains why they are recommended for health and longevity. But to fully understand the benefits of an alkaline diet, it is essential to understand the pH scale. The pH scale measures acidity or alkalinity, ranging from 0 to 14, and measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. A neutral pH level is 7. Anything below 7 is considered acidic, and anything above 7 is considered alkaline. The pH levels of our bodies can play an important role and affect our overall health, and an alkaline diet aims to balance these levels, to promote optimal wellness. Our bodies work hard to maintain a slightly alkaline pH of around 7.4. Still, factors such as stress, unhealthy diet, and environmental toxins can disrupt this balance, and tip us toward acidity. An acidic environment may contribute to inflammation, weakened immunity, and other health issues. Consuming more alkaline-forming foods can help restore a healthy pH balance, and potentially reduce our risk of health problems. From avocados to lemon and more, watch till the end to learn all about these powerful and crucial foods for our health and body balance. Number 12, Almonds. Almonds are not only a delicious snack but also a powerful nutritional punch. These heart-healthy nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Also, almonds are a good source of protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. But how do almonds fit into an alkaline diet? Despite their slightly acidic taste, almonds are an alkaline-forming food. When digested, they leave an alkaline residue in the body, helping to balance the acidity levels. To incorporate almonds into your daily diet, try snacking on a handful of raw almonds as a midday pick-me-up, or adding chopped almonds to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. In baking recipes, you can also use almond flour as a healthy alternative to traditional flour. Number 11, Leafy greens. Leafy greens are loaded with nutrients and are highly alkaline, making them an excellent addition to any meal. Collard greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all alkaline-rich leafy greens that we can easily incorporate into our daily diet. To add a serving of leafy greens to your meals, try making a salad with a mix of different greens, or add a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie. You can also sauté them with olive oil and garlic, for a tasty and nutritious side dish. Not only are leafy greens delicious, but they also promote healthy digestion, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy immune system. Number 10, Avocados. Avocados are a beloved fruit that we can find on restaurant menus worldwide. Beyond their creamy texture and rich taste, avocados are packed with nutrients that make them an excellent addition to an alkaline diet. Avocados can promote heart health and satiety, with their high fiber and healthy fat content. Also, they are an excellent source of potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and support healthy nerve function. Try mashing them into guacamole or spreading avocado slices onto toast. Add chopped avocados to salads or use them as a healthier sandwich alternative to mayonnaise. Number 9. Cucumbers. Alongside their refreshing taste, cucumbers also boast numerous health benefits. They are a low-calorie food that packs a punch in terms of nutrition, containing vitamins K and C, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Cucumbers are also an excellent source of hydration, as they contain around 95% water. Staying hydrated is vital to maintaining a healthy pH balance, and cucumbers can help. You can slice them up, eat them as a snack, or add them to salads for a refreshing crunch. You can also use them as a base for healthy dips such as tzatziki or hummus. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is a delicious and versatile ingredient that can add flavor to various dishes, making it an excellent choice for anyone following an alkaline diet. This versatile spice is packed with nutrients to help improve overall health and well-being. For example, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which protect your body against harmful free radicals. Free radicals can damage our cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases, like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, research has shown that garlic helps reduce inflammation, which can help prevent various health problems, from arthritis to digestive issues. One easy way to incorporate garlic into your diet is to add it to your favorite soups or stews. You can also roast garlic and spread it onto whole grain bread for a healthy snack. Another tasty idea is to make homemade garlic hummus for a delicious and satisfying dip. Number 7. Lemons. Lemons are one of the best ingredients for alkaline diets. Although highly acidic in taste, lemons are surprisingly alkalizing once metabolized in the body. They are rich in vitamins C and B, which help detoxify the body and balance its pH levels. One of the simplest ways to incorporate lemons into your diet is to start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This combination helps hydrate the body, boosts digestion, flushes out toxins, and aids in weight loss. You can also squeeze lemon juice over salads, vegetables, or protein sources for a tangy flavor that enhances the alkalinity of your meal. Before we further explore the following powerful alkaline foods, remember to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to stay updated with my helpful videos to boost your well-being journey. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes and is high in fiber, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. Whether steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, broccoli can provide a satisfying crunch and nutty flavor that pairs well with other alkaline foods. Aside from its nutritional benefits, broccoli also has anti-inflammatory properties that are vital to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Some studies have found that regularly consuming broccoli can lower the risk of certain cancers such as lung and colon cancer. So the next time you want to add alkaline foods to your diet, remember broccoli. Number 5. Spinach. Like broccoli, spinach is also low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. Not only is spinach an excellent source of iron, but it's also high in vitamins C and K, calcium, and potassium. Some studies suggest that spinach may help improve heart health and reduce cancer risk. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties found in spinach can help reduce cell oxidative stress, which leads to chronic diseases. You can add it as a base for a salad or sauté it as a side dish. You can also blend it in a smoothie to get your daily dose quickly and easily. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are a favorite fruit for many, and it just so happens that they are also a top alkaline food. They are a great addition to any balanced diet, rich in minerals such as potassium and magnesium, and vitamins like vitamin C. Bananas have a pH level of around 9, which means they are alkaline-forming in the body. It is easy to include bananas in your daily or weekly diet. For example, you can slice them to put on top of oatmeal, add them to a smoothie, or even use them to make healthy homemade ice cream. Plus, bananas are a great source of natural sugar, making them the perfect pre-workout snack to give you the energy boost you need. Number 3. Apricot. Not only do these tiny fruits provide an impressive pH level of 8, but they also offer a range of nutritional benefits. Apricots are a great source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote satiety. They are also abundant in vitamins A and C, which are known to support immune function and promote healthy skin. They can be enjoyed as a snack, added to a fruit salad, or baked into a delicious tart or pie. Number 2, watermelon. With a pH of around 9, watermelon is one of the most alkaline fruits available. It's also packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and lycopene, essential for maintaining good health. One of the great things about watermelon is its high water content. Water makes it an excellent choice for staying hydrated during hot summer days. Its low-calorie content makes it an excellent choice for losing weight. Watermelon is also a natural diuretic, which can help flush toxins out of your body, and there are many ways to enjoy it. You can slice and eat it alone or add it to salads, smoothies, and juices. You can even grill it to add a smoky flavor to this delicious fruit. Number 1, beetroots. One of the most significant benefits of beetroots is their ability to help lower blood pressure due to their high levels of nitrates. Beetroots are also an excellent fiber source, essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Additionally, they contain potent antioxidants that can help protect against damage from harmful free radicals in the body. Incorporating beetroots into your diet is effortless. They can be roasted, boiled, or even pickled for a tasty and healthy addition to any meal. You can also use them to make a delicious and nutritious beetroot juice or smoothie. So, to take your health to the next level and positively change your life, start slowly incorporating these top alkaline foods into your diet. Remember, a more balanced and alkaline diet can significantly affect your health for the better. Add these foods to your diet today and enjoy their many health benefits. An alkaline diet is an excellent and tasty way to improve overall health and well-being. Incorporating these 12 top alkaline foods into your daily routine can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost immunity, and help you live healthier and longer. As Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." So, did you know about these top alkaline foods and what is an alkaline diet? Which of these foods do you love to eat? If you found this video helpful and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. Also, if you want to discover the world of anti-inflammatory foods and explore a comprehensive list of 14 miracle ingredients and an excellent recipe that can help combat inflammation in the body, watch this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you to be always well and have a beautiful day and new week.